Today I'm going to show you how to install the Gator SFX soft folding trifold cover on this 2019 new body style Ram 1500. Now this is going to be a similar installation on most trucks, and it's actually very simple and doesn't require any tools. The first thing that we need to do is take our cover, set it on top of our bed caps all the way up towards our bulkhead. From there, we want to make sure that our storage clips are facing towards our cab, and then we can unclip it and carefully fold it to the back. From there, we're going to make some adjustments, make sure it's evenly spaced from side to side and front and back, and then we're going to carefully fold it up back towards our cab. Next, we're going to go underneath and we're going to have two clamps, one on each side. We're going to remove those and then thread them up until they are making contact with our bed rails, and then we're going to give it an additional 2 turns to make sure it's tight. From there, we can continue folding our cover back towards the tailgate. At the back, you're going to have 2 more clamps. These are going to be spring-loaded. We're just going to remove those from the storage position and then clip those underneath of our bed rails as well. That's going to complete the installation. If you have any questions, give us a call or visit us online.